Morning all. It's the Saturday now, the 20th I think of October, day after knocking all these holes in the wall. I blew them out with an air gun yesterday, damped it all down with a mist of spray water, or water spray, and squirted some expanding foam to act as a bit of a shutter for my concrete in the back. I don't want it going all the way through because I'm going to be stoning the outside once I've put the steels in. So I'm making a concrete bearing pad in each of the holes, both sides of the wall, and I've fixed some plywood down the wall at the height of the pad. It looks higher, but it isn't. So it's the height of the pad, and I'll use that to screed the concrete, if that's even the right word, level. Steels will sit on the concrete pad then, and then I can get on with stoning the outside up. So you can kind of see, I'm sure I showed you this yesterday, but I'll show you again. You can see when I'm not in the way of the laser, that's the pad level. So there's 100 mil or so, 100 mil of concrete. And so that's today's job. Get these plywood formers on. I'll show you from the, probably see a little better from there. So plywood, one piece covering there, another piece covering those two in the corner, and another two pairs on this side where I'm standing now. Once I put the plywoods on, I will seal with expanding foam again, just temporary to stop the concrete all running down the wall, and then mix some concrete up, and that's today's job really. I've cut the grass this morning, so I've had a bit of a tidy up morning really, and I've ripped these plywood lengths down, so I've just done a bit of sorted out really, and just getting my head straight for what's next. Yeah, so that's that really. I'll set you going. I'll screw in another plywood former. You can watch me struggle with that. Bit of a pain on my own. You need 3 hands, one each end and one on the screwdriver in the middle. So it's a bit of a pain, but we'll get there. Where's the will's away and all that. Right, I'll set you up. See you in a bit. I wouldn't show you if it was off, would I? Of course I wouldn't. I'm alright with that. So there we go. That's one board on. I've got another, well, 2 boards on now. I've got another 2 to do. See you in a bit. Right, this is the mortaring, or concreting. So I'm just lobbing concrete in for now. And I'll float it off. Manually, obviously not power float it. When it starts to go off a little, I'll get it somewhere near for now, if not a bit over. And it's quite late in the, well, I say late in the evening now, it's probably, I don't know, 6 o'clock or something, so the light's going. I'm going to it makes it a little easier to see laser. Well, it's now Sunday morning, the day after the concreting, and I'm about to take the wooden shuttering off. They look good. I came and floated them last thing last night. Don't know if you can see that, but I'm quite happy how they look, really. They look decent, so I'll knock them back again just to make sure they're flat after I've taken the shuttering off, so you can watch me do that. See you in a bit.